Okay, here we go, y'all. It's the early morning next day. GB Linden's on his way out here, just doing my morning shots. Yeah, it's maiden time. It's done. It's balanced. It's beautiful. Look at that, baby. Sorry about my shadow here, but it is ready to rock. So, fingers crossed everything goes off well. I'm sure it will. Look at that big wing on that thing. Just looks fast sitting there, doesn't it? So, nothing holding me back but fear. Here we go. Here we go. Mig-17 maiden.
Smidge over half throttle.
So good. Flies like a huge plane.
Man. Wow.
Like that.
That was awesome.
That's it. I'm going to go up here and trim out the flaps and different flight modes here. Didn't do that yet. Flyby with flaps out, speed brakes out.
Speed brakes too?
On the back.
Man, this thing looks easy to fly. Woo!
Too much expo in there for me at the 20% that it recommends, so got a little behind the flare, but that awesome suspension gear took care of that problem for me. back to the truck, get the battery tester, and we'll see what's left in there after a 4-minute, 22-second in the air flight.
Awesome.
Right on. Alright guys, I forgot my battery checker at home, so we'll do that once we get there. But I'll at least show you where my battery placement was. I had to give it a little bit of up trim, not too much, but you can see it in there. Well, he'll show you here in a second. That's where the 5000 wound up. Everything was good. That thing flies like a big old kite. Most of that flying was just a tick over, half throttle. Pretty conservative for a maiden, so just wanted to get everything trimmed and happy. So there you go. So far so good. We'll get things charged up and go for another flight soon and see what she can really do at some higher throttle settings.
I want to see those speed brakes deployed. I want a close look at that. Look at that, guys.
And look at the detail in there. They got like the simulated hydraulic ram in there. Pretty awesome. I didn't notice much of a pitch change or anything in flight. I was going to leave them on for landing, but I figured for a maiden probably a bad idea. But we'll use them in the future. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. JohnVH out. Okay, y'all, we're back. Got my battery tester, got it on there. You can see after that flight we're at 32% for over 4 minutes. My intention was not to be up that long. I need to fix my timer on my radio a little bit, but you know, it's pretty conservative. We have a ton of battery left. Everything worked out great. The next flight, so I'm gonna leave my timer at 3 minutes. I think that's a fairly decent one for this size of pack because you know, the more you get used to them, the faster you're gonna fly them. And you always want to have that safe little buffer zone. I'll get my telemetry set up in here so I can get some in-flight warnings in case I get a little too crazy. But anyway, there you go. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe. You're not going to want to miss more action on this baby. We're going to do some grass field ops as well in the future because it's got this amazing spring gear you can see. Look at that stuff. Just cool. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. JohnVH out.